Welcome to Dorman Products Fuel Line Kits installation video. Before you begin, this has been considered a moderate installation by our technicians. Suggested time of the installation is about 1 to 2 hours. Tech note: our fuel lines have been re-engineered with a sectional design for an easier installation. Be sure to depressurize the fuel system before starting this installation. Begin the installation by disconnecting the feed and return lines on the top side of the engine. Be careful, some fuel may reside in the fuel line still. Follow the vapor line down behind the engine and depress and remove the plastic clip. Next, remove the fuel line bracket located just below the fuel vapor line. This bracket is attached to a stud on the transmission. Remove all plastic routing clip brackets along the fuel line path. Using a cutting tool, cut the 3 flex hoses that attach the front fuel lines to the rear lines. Again, some fuel may be stuck in the lines. At the front of the fuel tank, you will see the feed, return, and vapor line. Depress quick release clips and remove the black nylon jumper lines from the steel fuel lines. The front set should be ready to remove from the vehicle. Before installing the new fuel line kit, note that these lines come in sections, which can easily be secured and joined by lining up the connection points and screwing them together. We suggest lining up the fuel line sections and connectors before attaching them back onto the vehicle. Install sections back onto vehicle separately. Install the front and back sections first before positioning and lightly attaching the middle section and connectors. Once the sections have been attached, connect all lines together and do a final tightening.